Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss about Azure alerts. In the last class, we have completed the firewall alerts itself, and now we are moving forward to the Azure alerts. So let's quickly move into the demo lab so that we will start our session. And there is a note point here. You need to know that if any new user has came to our channel, this is the demo tool where we have provided to our subscribers how the real world scenarios occurs in the real-time organizations in the SOC environment. If you don't know how to access this lab, we have provided the link in the description itself. You just need to click and you just need to access the lab. Okay. So today we are in Azure Alerts. Let quickly move into the Azure Alerts. Okay. So today we are going to start with Azure Alerts. Okay. Now I need a pen. So this is Microsoft Azure Alerts. First alert is user changed detected password detected by Azure Active Directory. X user changed their password. Okay. And AAD Azure Active Directory detected that. Okay. And it's provided that alert. What are the scenarios we can expect? Scenario 1. When a new user joined in any of the organization, by default, administrative department will provide their name at the rate company's domain .com, .org, .in something, and a default hash password like star hash at the rate 123 some X password they will give. While the new user log into their account successfully, a pop-up will appear that they need to change their password. Okay, this is one scenario. Second scenario, an existing user wants to change their password. They can directly change the password by going to the settings and change the password. And an existing user's administrative department will give a password policy. Okay, what is password policy? For each and every organization, there is a password policy that uh, 30 days or 90 days or 45 days password will be expired. At this moment, we will get a pop-up while login to change the password. And another scenario, which is a risky scenario, that I am a user, I am on a vacation, that I wanted to do some activity in the organization, but I cannot perform the action. At this moment, I given my credits to my colleague for a while or 1 day, 2 days itself. After this activity performed, I need to change my password because my colleague knows my password. Okay. These are the 4 types of scenarios we can see in the organizations. Apart from that, whenever any user give their ID, password, along with that, administration recommends to enable multi-factor authentication. What is multi-factor authentication? So while we are logging either email or ID password. These two always will provide. Along with that, if we provide OTP or one-time password or some code after login to the email password, okay, it will gives only to your registered mobile number. Okay, so these two are compromised, but if your mobile not compromised, you attacker cannot log in. Okay, if these two are compromised and these also compromised, at this time administrative department will recommend that disable the user, and we will investigate further. Okay, this is some kind of true positive. Okay, so these are the things we have seen up to now. Now the rule says that user change password detected by Azure Active Directory. Author has written this one. Azure Active Directory, within 24 hours it was done. Selection, in the selection we have kept change user password. Whenever any event action occurred, change user password. Okay, that time the alert will be triggered. It is a critical alert and it is Azure Office 365. What is Office O365? O365 is Office 365, which is having Outlook, Excel, Word, PPT, SharePoint, OneDrive, etc. These type of applications are comes under O365 in web based. On Chrome, we can log in directly through website. Okay. So we will see now through this alert what data we have got in the alert data. Okay. Now event action is okay. User has changed their password in the web based. Okay, that is browser. It was happen and 360 audit. Azure Active Directory is detected this on the O365 related. User has successfully changed the password. It was done by through Azure Active Directory on this host name. It was provided on Cloud Azure log type, and it is provided by Microsoft. Yes, user ID. When we want to find some user, we can directly giving by user's unique ID. Okay. By user's unique ID, we can provide or we can check the logs of the user and user target ID. Test bhc.com user has changed their password. Okay. Now we have seen different types of scenarios. Now what we exactly do is, now we'll directly reach user that, hey, have you changed the password or not? Okay. The user will say, yes, I have changed this. So it is a list activity and false positive. But if the user says that, no, I haven't done this activity, directly we will ask administration department that, hey, administrative department, you people did anything to this related user password change, something attack has been occurred. They'll say that, hey, yes, we have done this thing. If they say no, we will recommend that disable the account. Okay. If yes, it's a false positive. If no, it's a true positive. Okay. After disable the user account, we will check on what basis it was done. Okay. From logs, we will check and we will close this case. Okay. This is what analysis we will do. After doing analysis, we have to write the comment. What type of comment? For example, user's password policy has been expired. That's why the user has changed the password. That time I'll write on investigation. User has changed the password due to password policy expired for 30 days. Okay. At this moment, user confirmed. That's why I have written password policy expired for 30 days. Each and every organization having different password policy expiration. For example, Google has 30 days, Microsoft has 45 days. It might be vary to each and every company. It is not constant for each and every company. It will be uh, done by, or the password policy will be created by admin department. Okay. Like this, we will investigate all these type of alerts in O365 and we will dismiss this alert. Okay. So now we successfully completed this one. And if you have any doubts, you can directly reach out to our Telegram group, or you can directly mention a comment in the comment section so that we will give a prompt response to you. Thanks for joining, guys. Keep support, keep share our channel to who are willing to learn cybersecurity SOC. So it will be helpful for the so many users who are unable to pay huge amount of money to the academies. Thanks for joining once again. Signing off, Black Hat Commando.